This is Bella. I am a very aesthetic person, and I am very glad to help you if I have any chance. So, if you have GL steel question or PPGI steel question or GI galvanized steel question and PPGL Roofingsheet steel industry some confusing, or if you have questions in 2024 direction, or if you have steel market internet questions, or if you have some good ideas to make investments in 2024, or you are making adjustments in 2024, you are not very clear, welcome to come to Jianhui Supplier for the best advice as soon as possible. Please contact me. Bye. See you next time.